Hey, you guys. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I look a whole mess. But y'all about to get ready with me? Hold on. Alright. But you guys are about to get ready with me because it was my birthday.
Oh, Mom, you want this?
And no, I want this one. It was my birthday Thursday. Right? It was Thursday.
Yep.
And me and my baby dad had to work. So we decided to go somewhere on the weekend, which is Saturday, which is today. This string is still stuck in here from the other day, guys. So weird. But my sister and her dude was supposed to come, but he gotta work now. Her dude / husband. Sean's my husband too, y'all, but I call him baby dad because I do. But yeah, so I'm just take this old wig right here and I'm gonna turn it into something different. My girls is in the background because we're doing a video on the other channel. Make sure you watch it. Hold on a minute. Let me text my husband back. Alright, y'all. So, oh shit, I forgot I turned that on, and I'm doing stuff. But here's my wig. It's like 16 inches. It look kind of ashy right now, but it's okay. We about to fix it. Can you stop? Won't you throw that in the trash? Like I said, my kids is in the background. I don't even have my light on. Hold up, pause. I got this, and look, y'all. Look at this BS. So they did not have the ghost bond like I always be using. So magic bomb. And it comes below. Let me know if y'all like this magic bond shit. Because it's a super extra hold, extreme cream, invisible hold lace wig. I'm on the... This gonna be a ghetto video, y'all, but that's because my kids are ghetto. I'm not gonna say I am, but it probably is a little bit. Yeah, sensitive skin, waterproof. That's what you need. When you have kids, it's so annoying when you try to do stuff. Look, y'all, you can't see my eyebrows. They're supposed to be cleaning up. Monica, pool table room. If you was cleaning the living room, then you wouldn't have been sitting right there.
Mom, don't leave. Because when we get to Mom's house, we're going to be knocked out because of me. I swear, I'm going to beat him.
I couldn't even have a relaxed weekend. Look, y'all, from this. And I'm back, so. Yeah, I know. I got a good personality. Okay, so I'm trying to make a thumbnail. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Okay, that should be good. Okay, so first thing first, I have to glue this mother lover on. So I'm not putting nothing. I'm gonna be using this little hole stuff, and I'm gonna use this. Was you wasn't in the hair store with me? No. So remember the ghost bond that I always use? They sold out. So she was like, well, we have this on sale for $16. It's usually $20, and it's really good. So we about to find out. Cause I didn't.
That for $16?
Yeah. The ghost bond is $23. But that is good stuff. Okay, y'all, here we go. Unlike that other stuff, the clear stuff. I hardly use anything else. Now, usually people put a bald cap on and all that stuff, but I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to look good for today because I have two wigs coming, of course, that I have to buy hair now. Like, I used to work for this company, and the lady would give me free hair every month, but something happened and went left. So I don't have that brand deal anymore. That kind of sucks because I have to buy hair now. But it's okay. Somebody else is going to pick me up, and I'm going to be like, hey, what's up? And then, hey, I might get paid for it. So you live and learn, you guys. You live and learn.
Please don't.
I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Please don't live and learn?
No, please don't try to start to go through your whole, guys, I was doing like this, and you can do this, and like, bro, you were like...
Everybody should know they're worthy. Their work.
I know, but I'm talking about, like, don't go through all that while you're trying to do your hair. Like, they clicked for a hair video, not you trying to tell them how worth they are.
You guys like what I be talking?
No, no.
She's a hypocrite.
What?
I don't know. She's ignorant as shit,
No,
guys.
because when you do something when you tell somebody else not to do it.
Yeah. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for this to dry. It's supposed to dry clear, I guess. Like I said, never used it before, but we about to find out today. Jesse, can you give me my lashes? The glue should be in there. If not, I'm fucked.
I'm pretty sure it's not, but I got the lash glue right here. It worked really good.
All right, yo, I'm gonna be at the restaurant. My lash gonna fall off.
No, I got it from Shein, so it's good. And
of course, y'all already know, huh?
Lash glue is not in here.
Then that's the one I seen upstairs. Then give me yours. Y'all already know what lashes I'm about to put on from my girl.
Not your average. That one? You using no lashes?
No, chill. That's that one too. That one too. I'm doing the Russian so I can wear my glasses. The Russian.
So you going these ones?
This is
the long ones?
No, the short ones.
These ones.
I don't know. Oh yes.
Because the other ones is these. These ones are cuter.
Yeah, those ones are sexier, but I don't have my contacts, so I'm not.
Oh, alright, why does that wrong?
Jesse,
I'm gonna give them back, bro.
No.
I'm gonna wear them to my house and I'm gonna bring
no,
them
you're not wearing them to my mom's.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
y'all. Sorry,
Yeah.
y'all.
Yeah.
You're not wearing them to my mom's house. I don't care.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna think I don't care. This is me. I really can sing.
Alright, now we're gonna do this.
Stop! Get the Jesse, get out of
y'all
my
want to see
frame.
me?
Come on! Get out of my frame. Jesse, sit right there. Stop! Get the fuck off! Look what you did.
You're wrong. No.
Alright, so we're gonna just lay this crusty lace on the glue.
I'm trying to
Crusty
get
lace.
bro. I'm not to go. I'm not.
Oh! It's giving not. But at least it's hooking. Like I said, I never used this glue before, guys. Y'all, I'm trying the best that I can to get monetized and stuff. But some of these bitches out here, they just shake their ass and get $1,000 a minute. The fuck? I'm trying my best to do it the right way. But guess what, y'all? Some of these females, I'm all over the place, but some of these females are married. And they niggas still be like, oh, get that money, hoe, type shit. But I'm trying to do it the right way. This is just taking forever. But it's okay. We're gonna make it out of the hood one day, right, Jesse?
Yeah.
It's like never that. We never lived in the hood. No, we didn't.
Oh,
Can you not? We still in Chester, dumbass. We in the hood. We in the savage. We savages.
I did not mean to say we live in Chester.
When we
was back at Carolina.
Yeah, when we really make it out of these ratchet ass streets, I'm gonna be so thankful to Jesus.
That alleyway was so scary, bro.
What alleyway?
At the old house, the alleyway, when we had to go take out the trash, we had to run around the back.
Oh,
The
yeah.
alleyway. Oh my god, that was scary.
Okay, y'all, so if you can see, I guess the glue is good. So shout out to that lady that said, oh, you want to try, da-da-da. And I was like, sure.
Why are these not working? Like, they're not even connected. And I had them on charge.
Is that yours?
No, these are your AirPods.
Why aren't they working? I don't know.
Okay, but it says that it's fully charged. It says fully charged both. But then when I put them on, they don't know how to work.
Alright, y'all. So we got the wig on. I'm just trying to part it so I can put the other stuff on so I can make sure the wig don't flip. No, both of them works. Shut up, Jesse. Nothing is right here. Alright, y'all. So now I'm gonna spray this on the sucker. If y'all don't like my video, what?
It's leaving on my nerves is not working.
If y'all don't like my video, y'all can just scroll off. It's okay. I'll find genuine people one day that like my shit.
Bro, no,
I said I wasn't
it's
gonna
getting on my freaking.
So yeah. Alright. So we got this on here because I needed to stay down. So I don't have the little band thing. I got these. Don't be swiping that like that. I got this, so I'm gonna put this one.
It don't want to work. Like, what is...
Your kids put your lashes on a tissue box.
Huh?
Where's my lashes?
Upstairs in your room.
Give me them. Give me the lashes.
In my opinion, I feel like I should go on TikTok. Because TikTok be showing me so much more support than this YouTube. What, Jesse? The Dollar Tree?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. So, when I come back, you guys will see the finishing look. I'm about to go jump on TikTok. Because I want to go on TikTok. I haven't been on TikTok in a while. So, going on TikTok. I'll show y'all the finished results. And I'm going to cut this and all that stuff. I have to straighten it first before I cut it. Well, technically, no, I don't. Because all I got to do is comb it really good and then cut it and then try to straighten it. Because I wanted a bob, but I didn't buy it. So, like I said, if y'all want to see the middle of this video, go to my TikTok. If not, thank you for watching. This already looked like it's shorter than this side. I don't know. Give me my comb. I don't know how that happened.
What time is it?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? And why are you even over here talking to me? You made me mad. Now you're slurping. Yeah, y'all, but me and my baby dad, we about to have a relaxing vibe, chilling type shit. And yeah, I'm not telling y'all where we're going. You'll know later. But, well, hey, when I post this, we're already gonna be at the spot. I'm not posting this until when we get back home, so we're going to the melting pot. And when y'all watch this, we're gonna already have went to the melting pot, so it don't even matter. Cause we don't do that whole, oh, I'm going here, let everybody know shit. You guys will know after the fact because people are so iffy nowadays. And you can't trust nobody, so this is what I'm going to leave with y'all is don't trust everybody. Don't trust nobody. Because you don't never know people's intentions. That's why there's no need to tell people where you're going until after the fact. And if y'all read the story and stuff, I don't have to explain to you guys what happened. But just read between the lines and then y'all would be like, yeah, that's true. But yeah, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to cut my hair and stuff on TikTok. Okay, y'all, so TikTok was lit. I got 272 viewers. I got 36 likes. Like, that was totally lit. I only had 2 comments, but them 2 people kept going back and back and back and back and back and back, talking or whatnot, but it was totally lit. See, I was only on TikTok for like 7 minutes, and people showed love, came in, hearted my video. That's dope. I just said turn the music off. Okay, this is my finished product. I got a ponytail in the back because I fucking know I ate. I don't have no makeup on, just chapstick and everything. So, yeah. And look, y'all, this is my real sideburn. I just slicked it down. But,
It's not in a ponytail.
yeah, y'all. Oh, that's not in a ponytail. So, yeah, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. On the road to 2K. Help me get there later, y'all.